guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I will be refreshing my bedroom. This is what my bedroom looks like right now. And I would like to add, change up a few things, give it a new look for the spring and summer, because this decor I've had for a while and I'm ready for a bit of a change. I'm not going to be doing any major design changes like color or different furniture or any of that stuff, because I still like the color and my bedroom furniture that's here. But I will change up a little bit of bedding and add a few decor pieces to it. I would like to incorporate a bit of a coastal farmhouse style to the bedroom. So come along. So here's the bedroom the way it looks now. That's just some bedding that I will be swapping up, nothing too much. And then down here on this side of the fireplace and over here, I just have some items that I want to incorporate in here. And then so the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take everything off of the furniture and give furniture a good dusting, and then it'll be like a clean slate to start the decorating. I just want to have everything empty except the lamps, and then kind of go from there and see what I will do. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with the fireplace. I'm going to keep the little twigs on the side, and I'm just going to try and figure out how I'm going to decorate the top of it. I'm gonna move on to here. So I have picked up some stuff at the dollar store as well. So some containers for my bathroom, but I thought these ones would look really good in this space. just some of this turquoise, bluish, sea blue colors I really like. I think they're mostly like tea light holders, but I won't be using them as tea light holders. And then I also picked up 3 of these frames. They are the Certificate of Achievement frames, but I will be putting these prints. I have received these prints from a Etsy shop called HyggelyCo. I hope I'm saying it right. And they had reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try out their prints and see what I thought. And I got to pick out the prints, so I picked out those 3 that I will be using in this bedroom. But I also picked out these ones that I'm thinking I might use at a later day in my washroom, my master ensuite, but I'm not 100% sure. So those I'm just gonna keep in a safe place until I decide where I'm going to use them. But these ones I will definitely thinking up above there. But yeah, so you should definitely go check them out. I will have their Etsy shop linked down below, and there's also a special discount code available. So if you like these, make sure you go check them out, because the discount code's available for 2 weeks from today. And they have tons of prints, art prints to buy, and as prints and also as a download, and they're really great prices. I can't complain. Like, from what I've seen, the prices are fairly reasonable, and I just love the way that looks, and I think it's going to look fabulous in these dollar store frames. You can totally go all out and buy expensive frames as well. I think they would look good on there as well. So if you purchase a printable download, you obviously you're responsible for framing them yourself. So I'm going to put them up and see what I think. So I am all finished for now. I'm sure, just like all the rest of us, I will change things up several times. So let me walk you through what's currently and the way it's probably gonna stay for a little bit. So on the nightstand, I just kept that bowl there because that's my husband's catch-all, and I just added this star. It's a starfish. It's a tea light candle holder, so I just have to buy a blue tea light to put in there. And here are my sign that I put up. I think it looks fabulous right above the bed. Hopefully it won't fall off and clink us in the head, but they are fairly light, so it shouldn't hurt if they do fall. So it says, "Let's stay home." And then over here I just put that little water lily bowl here beside the bouquet of roses that was there originally. So the big change comes to this fireplace, which originally had just 2 of those boxwood plants, and that's it. So I added my DIY frame that I made. I played around with it, as you saw. And then these are the lanterns I made with some succulents in them. This is my diffuser. And this is a seashell that I had brought from one of our travels. And then just the little jars. I might change that up a little bit, maybe add something that's a little bit higher. But the only thing right now that I have that's higher is another lantern. And I didn't want to add another lantern to here since I already had the 2. And then I also have one here. So over here I put the picture that is our engagement photo, and then that's the mom sign I made, just a little different textures and colors I added over here, more succulents. Again, this is something that I might change up, just because I'm not sure if because it's fairly even height and I'd like to get maybe something a little bit taller, but not as tall as that. But I really like these jute rope balls. I think they add a lot of texture, as well as this lantern that's made out of nautical rope. And most of my decor comes from the dollar store or Marshall's. Aside from this is where we picked it up from our travels. That was from Marshall's. And then over here, most of it is DIY or dollar store. And then over here, I kept it pretty much the same. I like the window above the fireplace, but that's what I have downstairs, so I didn't want it to repeat that, and I think it looks pretty good on top of my dresser here. I kept my candelabras because I like them here. And then this one is the one that I'm gonna have to work on a little bit. Again, too much tall and then everything's kind of at the same level, so would like to add some height here as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a little short refresh. I just wanted to decorate my bedroom a bit more than what it was, and I am very satisfied with the way it turned out. Not too much stuff, because I do have to dust it and don't want to have to remove a ton of stuff when I'm dusting. But I'm happy the way this looks. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. If you are first time visiting my channel, I would love for you to subscribe, press the notification button so you don't miss out any of my new uploads. And until next time, hope you all have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.